Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan. How are you today? Good? Okay, let's define a sine function first. Define sine.
What are we talking about? How's
look.
that sine? You must be.
Yeah, but we still have SGN sine. A
That
number
doesn't
n.
make sense.
Okay, let's write it. Look, if
What we're talking
n
about?
equals 0, we return 0. I'm defining a function, yeah? Return a 0. If n bigger than 0, we return 1. And else will be returned
0.
minus 1 for negative, yeah? Here is negative,
What's
right?
that?
Yeah, that's the sine function, right? Negative numbers. So for example, SGN 100, what does it return?
What you?
SGN 100, you put it here, so what does it return? If it's a positive number, you should return what?
1 should be
1. SGN minus 2, return what?
minus 1.
SGN
So
0.
technically you're talking about is a positive number.
SGN 0.
1.
Huh?
0.
0. So only 3 possibilities values come out of this function. If it's a positive number, return 1. If it's a negative number, return minus 1. Yeah? If it's 0, yeah, look, if it's 0, return 0. If it's bigger than 0, return 1. And else, what's else?
If it's smaller.
Yeah, it's smaller than 0. This is the only possibility, okay? Okay, so this is the simple sine function.
Are
So
you just telling if it's like a positive number or negative number?
yeah. Okay, so given a list of numbers like 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 100, a few numbers. I want you to find out the sine value of all the products. If you multiply them together.
Talk about the sign.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So look, if I want you to find out the sine function of the value. This value comes out from all the products. You know the product multiply together, yeah? 1 times 2 times 0 times 8 times 100. So what's the sine value of the product of these?
If you times 0, it will just
0.
yeah.
Okay, so there will be 0, yeah?
Yeah.
If I tell you that it's 1, and what's the sine value?
I can remember this.
What's the sine value of these values? This.
1, we need to do the sign value, then times it together.
No, you first of all times all these values and then find out the
1
sine value.
times 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times minus 100.
Yeah. So if we want to find out the come on, it's easy, right?
I need a calculator.
Do you need to actually need a
Minus 1.
Yeah, why is that?
Because this is
Negative.
So you don't actually need to find out the value, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we just want to know if it's positive, negative, or 0, right?
If it has a 0 in it, it's
It's
0.
0. If
If it has a negative number, it's negative. If it has
Not quite sure. If I put another negative here, what happens? Double negative makes positive, right?
yeah.
Minus 1
How
times
about all
minus.
the number?
Yeah, okay. So we want to find out how many, first of all, we want to find out if there's 0. If there's 0, the sine function would definitely return 0, right?
Yeah.
No matter how big or how small the value is, the product is. If there's no 0, and we want to find out how many negative signs, right? Yeah? And if it's an even number of negative signs,
Is 1.
if it's an odd number of negative signs,
Minus 1.
well done, okay, let's say. But obviously, you can times it together and then return it, yeah? Let's write this function first.
I
Okay?
think this is a 1.
2, 16.
I think this is a
16
1.
times.
Okay, look.
16 times minus 1.
Okay, let's say product sign, okay? Product sign.
What's 16?
I think this is a 1.
Okay. No, yeah, okay, look.
Color.
Look, if we want to, the first approach is we want to find out the actual value, okay? Let's say product, put P equals 1. And then for I in
Range.
nums,
Oh.
right? We can know range, but we can do this. And how can I find this product? P what?
P.
What?
P.
P is the product, so we want to times it together.
P.
Yeah, what's that?
P times
Yeah, times.
all of the numbers.
Times what?
Nums.
Times equal I. Come on. Return sine function, yeah? Sine.
Function.
Sine P.
Function.
Okay? Alright, look. Yeah.
Stop.
Alright, look. So these complexity is ON, right? N is the number of numbers in
It
the
has
number.
a 4.
Okay. We can do this using fancy syntax, yeah? We can.
Fancy.
Alright, alright. Alright.
Ow.
Here we can do this reduce function. Reduce is from it2, yeah? Or from 2, I can't remember. Reduce, alright? Reduce a function f and then nums. That's it. But this function, we need to define it as what? Define this as, I put it here. Define f a b column return a times b.
Yeah.
Right? Here, return. This is function just 2 times together. Reduce. I want to reduce. Can you hear me, please?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. How do we reduce with this one? So it's 1 times 2.
1 times
Here.
2.
2 times 3.
6.
6. Yeah, you see where you go? Yeah? Let's reduce function. So I can put this f using the lambda function. Lambda, a shorthand for this function, yeah? Lambda. Lambda. A column B. A comma B column A times B.
A column. A B. A.
Okay, so the initial value is 1, okay, for the reduce, and we can use this. But here we want to count the how many negative, yeah? So look, Eric, look here. Negative. Let's say negative count. Okay, negative equals 0. Okay? Yeah? For I in nums.
So far as I win.
Yeah? If what should I check first? If I equal 0, what should we return?
0.
Return 0.
That's only if nums equals 0.
If I smaller than 0, what should we do?
Return.
No. What should we do? We should count. We should
If I is smaller than 0, we shall count how many.
What
If it's
here?
the odd number, we do a minus 1.
Here, negative.
Negative.
What should we do with the negative?
Equals odd.
Negative what? We want to even.
Divided by 2.
Huh?
Wait, can divide by 2. No, can't divide by 2.
No, we have known this I is a smaller number, so we want to what?
Negative.
We want to count and how many? We want to add what? We want to what?
How many?
Yeah, and what we do with negative?
Negative
That's the
plus.
count.
Negative plus.
Plus equal
Plus
equal what?
I.
We have known I is a negative number, so we want to count and put it at equal what? 1. Come on. That's it. And then look.
Return.
Look what? If negative. How do I check if it's even or not?
Divided by 2.
Modulo.
Negative. Modulo is 2.
Or and 1. Modulo equal 0. We should return what?
Minus 1.
What? It's even.
Return 1.
Return 1. And else return
Return
what?
minus 1.
Yeah, that's it. So in this case, we are not multiplying. Okay, we're just checking. This will be faster because multiplying is slow, and we're just checking the sign. It will be faster, right? Got it? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna erase this. Okay. Okay, return the minus.
Divide.
Yeah. Return 0. Okay. What? Are you ready? Something here.
Ooh.
Hmm?
2 lines.
Negative.
Come on.
Negative plus equals 1.
In what cases?
Negative equals plus equal 1.
In what cases? If I
If
what?
I
If I what? Smaller than 0. Smaller than
0.
Write it properly, Eric. Okay, and then what?
Negative plus equal 1.
Yeah, we're counting. Yeah, counting. Plus equal 1, what you doing? What's the time complexity for this one? What's the time complexity?
I won.
What's the space complexity?
I won.
Oh, what? Can you write this in other way?
Oh, what's the shifting bit?
Not shifting. N.
It will be and sign.
Yeah, N sign. Yeah. Because if it's N what?
Like that.
Yeah. N what?
And
1 equals what?
zero.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.